hitting you with back-to-back-to-back episodes for y'all that complain that I don't put out content fast enough. And this one is brought to you by Auxito. This is a small electronics headlight lighting company, and they were kind enough. This actually kind of trickled down from Bryce at iSpider Garage. He sent me an email. Check these guys out. I will provide a link in the description here. And if you use said link, I believe that will give you 15% off their products. And then I'll get like a 10% kickback off of that sale. So help them out. Help your boy out. Go check out all the products they got. They got even just little small LED stuff like this, just to upgrade like your interior lights. And that's one thing we're gonna do today. Is this should be a dome light, quick, easy swap out. And then in this here box, even came with gloves. Look at that, they fancy. Look at that. We've got some high and low beams for the headlights here. Those should be a quick, easy swap out too. In fact, I was gonna do it in the driveway because I shouldn't necessarily need any tools, but I wanted to bring you in here so I could kick the lights off and make it dark and see the difference. Wow, so that's about as dark as I can get it in here. Just that one little light on over here, but it looks like, oh, of course you're gonna kick back on. Why? But it looks like just the one dome here is all that uses this particular bulb. These are a different set, but you can see, I mean, it lights up, but it's not particularly bright. All right, so just need to pop your little dome light cover off right here. And be careful, because this was illuminated, so it's hot. It was toasty. I burnt myself. Oop. Now it's gone. It's gone forever. Where did that go? It's right here. Okay. And I guess in theory, this guy just pops back in there, huh? Okay, so you saw before, and here's... Okay. That is bright. That is very bright. Maybe let's put this cover back on that I've lost. There it is. Put this cover back on here, and maybe we won't be so blind, but we'll turn it the right direction so that it fits. That is way more bright. Dang. Go in your home. Are you too good? Are you too good for your home?
Are you too good for your home? Answer me!
That is way more bright. Dang. We can see in there now. Hell yeah. And in there all the way. There. Sweet. So there's our easy light to do. And we have a backup. We'll just put this in the center console. In fact, we'll save this one too. A quick test. Oh yeah. That is much more bright. That's good. Wish I had gotten the ones for up here too, but that's definitely gonna help. Moving along to the front bulbs. Honestly, I was hoping I was going to get lucky and just do a swap out from behind here, but not so much. Looks like I just need to pull 1, 2, maybe 2 bolts. Slide these bad boys out real quick. I suppose before I swap those bulbs out, I should get you a before for comparison. It's kind of the reason I pulled the truck in here. And like I've used this truck before. So there's just our regular beams here. Nothing crazy. Not particularly bright. Just OEM bulbs. Okay, so screw there. Behind this little panel. There's a screw holding that in. There's another guy hiding right there. After that, you just grab the headlight unit, pop her forward. These 2 little clips are holding this outside section in. So here's a comparison side by side, and they just look like a direct swap out here. We'll hold on to these because there's nothing wrong with them. But it looks like this guy is just going to screw right in place of the old one. There's one, guys. Even with the garage door open, what a dramatic difference. So let's get this other guy swapped out. We'll close the door and get a actual like in the dark reference. Fat boy, fat boy. Other side in. They were kind enough to provide me with 4 zip ties, so I did use 2 on each side. And at this point in time, we're just putting this back together, and we can get that full. We can get that full bright shot. We'll just hold on to these because there's nothing wrong with them. So we got some OE lights to put back in there in case those were to burn out. We still got our good ones. Let's do this. See how bright these bad boys are after we get blinded by this dome. Man, that is nice. Hell yeah. Blink. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's way more good. That's more good. There's low beams. Let's kick on these high beams, see what she do. Oh yeah. That's gonna blind oncomers. Oh, that is nice. That's super nice. We got crazy amounts of deer around here, so that's gonna be a nice, useful upgrade. Yep, I am happy. Man, huge shout out to Auxito. Everything was a perfect fit. As you guys can see, that is way more bright. The interior LED and the headlights, that's gonna make a dramatic difference. And like I said, I'll leave a link in the description, bio, whatever you wanna call it, that I do believe you get 15% off, and then I'll get me a little something in return. Make sure you go check them out, guys. They, like I said, they got small little stuff to just like your interior dome lights and stuff like that. But they even do like the side marker lights. They do the third brake light. I believe for the Ram, they even do a full headlight set. They do tail lights, reverse lights, any sort of lights. So if you're in the need, thinking about doing an upgrade, consider Auxito. Thanks, guys.